12 years of nurturing smiles. 12 years of earning every parent's trust. 12 years of watching little dreams take their very first steps. We are Krazy Tots, where learning begins with love, and every morning starts with joy. Here, curiosity isn't taught, it's celebrated. Every crayon stroke, every tiny alphabet written, builds the foundation of a confident tomorrow. Our teachers don't just teach, they care, they guide, they listen. Because at Krazy Tots, we believe every child learns best when they feel loved. From giggles on the swings to stories under the sun, every day is a new adventure, a space to imagine, to share, to grow. We teach care for themselves, for others, for the world around them. Healthy habits, happy tummies, and hearts full of kindness. For 12 wonderful years, parents have trusted us with what matters most. Their child's first steps into the world. Krazy Tots Preschool, where every child learns, plays, and shines. Krazy Tots, a joyful start to a lifelong journey.